Namaskar, Jai Hind, ladies and gentlemen. This is the picture which was given yesterday, day 8. In this picture, you can see very clearly there is an accident which has happened. Now, it's not a very minor accident because you can see this horse cart has met with an accident with this car. This man must be the one who is riding this horse cart, who is on the road, and you can see the blood going on there. Someone here is clicking the photograph. There's one more guy who is looking at it, and there is a van here. It's still the some, if you see very closely, this find the people inside this van, or the driver's seat and the back side. Let's see what kind of a story you have written. Ranjan, 21, a civil engineering student. He was going to market to buy books with his friend and saw that a car and a horse cart met an accident. That is still now it's a good reason being क्योंकि at least आपका जो character है, it is not involved with the accident. It is the one who saw the accident, and then of course then you can take this action like a hero. He found that horse cart driver is lying down and bleeding. He immediately called the police. He hauled the horse cart driver with the help of his friend and took first aid box from car and aided him. He asked his friend to call veterinary doctor, and he himself asked the help from a going nearby car and took him to hospital. On the way, he checked horse car driver phone and found his brother's number and informed his brother about the accident and the name of the hospital. Also donated his blood when doctor asked. He thanked the person who took them to hospital in his car and also explained the incident to police and left for market once he assured the driver is out of danger. Very well written story. Most of the things are covered and all. But it's not like blood donation में डॉक्टर ने बोला आपका ब्लड मैच करता है नहीं करता है. That is again one of the thing which may be marked if you want to improve. But I will say yes for this story and will go ahead provided if you narrate it well. Because इसमें देखो इसमें सारी चीज़ आ गई है. The only thing is missing here is वो जो आप अगर पिक्चर को देखोगे तो इसमें जब इसका एक्सीडेंट होता है कार्ट ये वैन का भी हुआ है. यू आर नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग, यू आर नॉट थिंकिंग अबाउट दिस, द पीपल इनसाइड इट. वो थोड़ा सा मिसिंग है, बट स्टिल आई विल गो अहेड विद दिस एंड आई थिंक let me see something more. Somebody just written, but it's too short. I mean, Siddhant, I could have read this story, but too short. Just 20-year-old engineering student witnessing a car and a horse cart accident in Bihar. He immediately called the police and provided first aid to the injured horse cart. Siddhant arranged for veterinary care, sought help for a passing car and took the injured driver to the hospital. काफ़ी कुछ कवर करने की कोशिश किया बट इट्स टू शॉर्ट, सो वो एक्शन वाला कहीं ना कहीं मिस हो जाएगा. तो इट कुड हैव बीन अ बिट मोर. Okay, let's read Tamanna your story. She write, in this pic shown I perceived number of character 3 mood neutral, 2 of them aged between 20-23, one of them is 30-35. It means Tamanna has missed out the people in the van. Sarthak, main character 21, medical college student going on his way to college, saw that on the road there is an accident occurred due to smoky fog there. He rushed there, took the first aid, gave water to the person and the animal, applied medicine to both with the help of his friend, called the ambulance, taking help of a nearby people. They cleared the road. He took the person to hospital and sent the animal to nearby animal care center. Then he called his family to hospital, mentioning about the condition, going back to college, I think about to write letter to municipal authority, informing about increasing accident to take some action towards this, like installing first aid kits and after a distance street lights. अब ये देखिए, तमन्ना यू रिटन ए गुड स्टोरी, बट लास्ट में आते आते आप थोड़ा सा स्टोरी से डाइवर्ट हुए. कैसे डाइवर्ट हुए? अगर आप हायर अथॉरिटी को बोल भी रहे हो, एक्सीडेंट का रीजन इज व्हाट यू आर सीइंग इंस्टॉल फर्स्ट एड, उससे पहले अवॉइड दिस एक्सीडेंट. मे बी सिग्नल लाइट कैन बी पुट सो दैट पीपल शुड फॉलो द ट्रैफिक रूल रादर देन जस्ट डायरेक्टली पुटेंगे फर्स्ट एड की यहाँ पे होता ही रहेगा, बस यहाँ से फर्स्ट एड देते रहेंगे. तो वो थोड़ा आपको ध्यान रखना है. And also when you are writing all this story, see you student की वो एक medical student है, he applied medicine to both with the help of his friend. किस तरह का medicine? He is bleeding now. You missed out on this thing. When you talk about medical aid or first aid, as a medical student, you are expected to stop his bleeding. And maybe आप basic चीज use कर सकते हो, like tying a clean cloth around it or something. उसके पास kit विट में अगर होगा तो वो कर सकता था, तो it could have been much better. But still I'll go ahead with the story and say clear for the stage 1. Reason being, it covered most of the things and actions are quite detailed. ये थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ हो जा रहा है एवरी टाइम इट इज. लेट्स गो अ बिट डाउन. रुपेश का पढ़ते हैं नंबर ऑफ कैरेक्टर, क्योंकि 4 प्रोटेगनिस्ट राम, राज 18, श्याम 18 बोथ आर फ्रेंड्स. अच्छा, आप जब भी ऐसे लिखते हो ना राम एंड श्याम, नो यू सेड राम. ये स्टोरी का बहुत ही, आई जस्ट एक्सप्लेन इट आराम से, बट ये स्टोरी का इंट्रोडक्शन इज नॉट राइट. दे आर रिटर्निंग फ्रॉम ट्यूशन, वाइल रिटर्निंग फ्रॉम ट्यूशन दे सी ए कार ड्राइवर rammed his car into a career. Like, even if you want to say Raj and Sham, you say Raj was coming from the tuition along with his friend Sham. It means you are ready to take responsibility. The moment you describe their relationship and then you start the story with they, it means कहीं ना कहीं आपके back of mind में क्या चल रहा है, you are not ready to accept this responsibility. Maybe अगर शाम बोलते हैं तो आप लेके जाओगे, तो these kind of a thing which come out from writing like this. That's why it's very important when you describe your character, and do not write very, just flashy English like protagonist and all. No one say like this. Just say hero of my story is Ram, or maybe action. Rather than if this, अगर आप action लिखते तो ज़्यादा मुझे अच्छा लगता. Okay, see a car driver rammed उसमें हो गया, and the driver of the car fall on the ground and get some major injuries. Ram sees this and suddenly goes to the career driver. अच्छा, car driver नहीं है, बोलते career driver. And stop the flow of blood by his handkerchief, and then he tried to calm the horse. While doing this, he sees Sham filming him. He scolds Sham and say, give some water to career driver and inform his family member if he's serious. तो कभी तो उल्टा हो गया. शाम को आपने एक नेगेटिव कैरेक्टर में डाला है कि उसका दोस्त तो फोटो खींच रहा है और ये काम कर रहा है, बाद में डांट रहा है कि तू फोटो क्यों खींच रहा है. कैन बी समबडी एल्स. आपको हीरो बनने के लिए अपने दोस्त को नेगेटिव एक इमेज में नहीं डालना है. तो आई थिंक these things one has to take care. Other that because of these two reasons I will say no to this story, provided even if it is narrated well. क्योंकि एक तो किसी और को प्रॉब्लम में डाला है, फिर हीरो आई मीन नॉट सो कॉन्फिडेंट एनफ. It seems to be a bit bigger. Let me see this. I perceive many person of age 20 to 40 all are in negative mood. अच्छा, जो हेल्प करता है it cannot be in negative mood. People who is lying on the road bleeding may be negative. In the taxi can be negative. Somebody clicking photograph can be neutral and not negative. Hero maybe who's try to provide help because you're doing something. It can be in positive mode or neutral, but don't say negative. Everyone is negative. Helping injured person and horse. Ram pursuing BSc Physics honors from DU. One day during this semester break, while he was going to the market, he saw that a car driver rammed a horse cart on the choke. He quickly went there, clicked photo of the car number plate, and took a side of the road of the injured person horse with the help of people nearby. In the meantime, he dialed 102 for the ambulance and vet ambulance also. As the ambulance arrived, they went to the nearby hospital with the injured man. He completed the admission process in emergency ward. अब इसको ध्यान से सुनना. देखो, इसने कुछ एक्शन बड़े ही क्लियरली और डिटेल में लिखे हैं. He didn't say he called ambulance. He said he dialed 102 for the ambulance. It means his actions are more detail oriented. And Prem Shankar, I will still go ahead with the story. So he also called his family member from the injured man phone, and the family arrived. Doctor came and told that the person is okay. Lastly, he reported to the police official about this matter, gave proof, and he visited to the vet hospital, ensured the horse is fine, and later he went to the market and bought items. Also wrote application to the mayor for installation of red light on the chalk and ensure that it is installed. बेसिकली लास्ट में मैंने आपको यू इंश्योर, बट हाउ डू इंश्योर ये थोड़ा बताओ तो अच्छा है. लेकिन दिस इज अ वेरी गुड स्टोरी. आई विल से यस टू दिस स्टोरी इफ इट इज नरेटेड वेल, क्योंकि इसमें जो एक्शन का मतलब जो डिटेल है ना, आई कीप सेइंग इट डजंट रिक्वायर टू मच ऑफ थिंग, ओनली बेसिक थिंग. व्हेन यू से कॉल एम्बुलेंस, हाउ डू यू कॉल एम्बुलेंस? इफ यू नो I have to dial 102, it means this candidate is actually dialing 102 and calling ambulance, and I will go ahead with this kind of story. So आपको इस तरह से अपने एक्शंस को डिटेल में लेके आना है. ओके, लेट मी सी सम मोर इफ आई गेट इट. प्रज्वल सिंह क्या लिखता है? बहुत अच्छे से लिखा है. एज जीनियस 18 20, जेंडर मेल फीमेल. आदेश गौरी. अच्छा, बाय द वे पीपीडीटी के लिए आपको मेन कैरेक्टर के यहाँ नाम नहीं लिखने होते हैं, वो तो स्टोरी में आ गया. आपको सिर्फ जो बॉक्स बनाना होता है, तो यहाँ पे बॉक्स नहीं बना सकते ऑफ कोर्स, अंडरस्टैंड कमेंट. तो आप लिखिए जेंडर, एज एंड मूड आपको लिखना है, पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव. Adarsh and Gauri were siblings going to market to buy ration. They were just to reach the market. Suddenly, horse car driver hit by a high-speed car on the main crossroad. Both the horse car driver and the horse basically accident बताया उसने उसने एम्बुलेंस को बुलाया एनिमल कंट्रोल विदाउट एनी डिले बिकॉज द horse car was bleeding too much and the horse was also seriously injured. His sister Gauri tried to take the picture of the number plate of that car and complained the police immediately to investigate against the car driver. अब देखो इसमें भी जो एक तो स्टार्टिंग ऐसा है कि आदेश along with his sister Gauri is going to market is a better sentence other than our siblings and to going to buy rations से अच्छा वो है. दूसरा you try to put start investigation or it may also happen you just click the picture, send it forward to the police and all to make them understand the situation. Could have been a better situation rather than putting a blame on someone because जुड़ने की horse cart का किसका गलती हो सकता है, you never know. Here you are trying to be, I'm not saying ये लिखना कोई गलत है. I still say a borderline for this candidate for this story. Reason being कुछ गलतियां हैं और वो कुछ they try to help पूरा डिटेल में भी है but don't try to impose or put someone else into a negative way rather than thinking about let's do this. Preet was a 20-year-old boy from Delhi. He was pursuing a photography course. Both used to take evening walks after attending their academic classes. One evening when they were crossing the road, so a car was rushing at a very high speed on the wrong lane and suddenly collided with a horse cart puller. As a result, cart puller was severely injured. Preet's friend clicked the photo of the car. Both took the injured person to hospital. Finally, they conveyed matters to the police and after some days, the culprit got fined and jailed and the cart puller got justice. See, जब अगर कोई एक्सीडेंट आपके यहाँ सामने दिख रहा है तो कार्ट पुलर को जस्टिस उसमें नहीं मिलेगा कि उसको पहले जेल में बंद कराओ. पहले आपको उसके लिए कुछ करना पड़ेगा. द ओनली एक्शन रिटर्न दे टुक हिम टू हॉस्पिटल. आपने क्या किया? यू हैव नॉट डिस्क्राइब एनीथिंग. इनफैक्ट व्हेन आई स्टार्ट रीडिंग दिस स्टोरी आई फाउंड ठीक है अच्छा स्टोरी है, स्टार्ट अच्छे से हुआ. फोटोग्राफी में आपने लिंक किया कि दे आर परस्यूइंग कोर्स, अपने क्लासेस से आ रहे हो, उसके दोस्त ने इमीडिएटली क्लिक द फोटोग्राफ. बट यू आर लुकिंग किसी को पनिश करके एंड और मे बी थ्रेटिंग इन पनिशमेंट एज अ सॉल्यूशन व्हिच इज स्लाइटली नेगेटिव. क्योंकि यहाँ पे एक थॉट प्रोसेस आपका पूछा गया है, उसमें आप एक अलग एंगल पे जा रहे हो कि पहले आप उसको जस्टिस दिलाने के लिए किसी को जेल में बंद कराओ, वो जस्टिस है. पहले उसको ठीक तो कराओ एंड मे बी आई मीन rather than putting a blame, let's try to first figure it out what has happened maybe, or maybe you need to take care of the injured person. That is a justice कि एटलीस्ट वो बच जाए, उसका ब्लीडिंग इतना हो रहा है लेकिन आपको लग रहा है जस्टिस उसमें है, उसका कुछ भी हो जाए चलेगा. आपने फर्स्ट एड उसको नहीं दिया, आपने एक्शंस नहीं लिखे क्या किया, बट यू मोर फोकस ऑन टू समथिंग एल्स. टिल हियर इट इज अंडरस्टैंडेड कि वो पिक्चर का उसका फोटो लिया सिनेरियो का, हैंड ओवर टू द पुलिस एंड नंबर प्लेट एंड टोल्ड एवरीथिंग. बट देन थिंक अबाउट द इंजर्ड पर्सन. So I hope you understand what is required to be done, and let me see how do you write the next story. And okay, let me take one more last story if I find some good story. Too small. Okay, let's come to this. Ashish return, number of character 4, all male, 22, 23, 32, 38, mood negative, rescue of Tongewala. Karthik was a professional photographer working in Nikon company. On a usual day, returning from home with his friend Raman, suddenly saw a little boy running to cross the road. In order to save the boy, a car rammed into a Tonga, badly injuring the Tongewala, and the horse fell flat. Karthik immediately captured the scene, rushed to the Tonga, gave first aid to the injured. He, along with car driver and people from crowd, got the horse separated from Tonga, asked someone to take care of it for a while. He himself took the injured to hospital with car driver and got him admitted. Tongewala launched a complaint against the car driver, but the evidence from Karthik showed the accident was unintentional. Suit was patched up. Again, a good story. I mean, a good तो नहीं बोलूँगा, इसे average story. I may still go ahead with this story क्योंकि यहाँ पे कुछ situations है लेकिन आपने उसको एडमिट करने के लिए जो प्रॉब्लम दिखाएगा उसको सॉल्यूशन पे आप फोकस नहीं कर. यू आर ट्राई टू फोकस ऑन सो मेनी अदर थिंग्स अदर देन सॉल्विंग दिस. द फर्स्ट थिंग व्हिच आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड इज हियर, इफ ब्लीडिंग इज शोन, व्हाट हैव यू डन टू स्टॉप द ब्लीडिंग अदर देन टेकिंग हिम टू हॉस्पिटल. यू स्टॉप, आई मीन ओके, आपने रोड पे हो, आपने लिफ्ट लिया, कुछ भी लिया, उसको एडमिट करा, बट तब तक अगर ब्लीडिंग जा रहा है, मे बी आई मीन यू कैन पुट ए सम क्लीन क्लोथ, दैट्स ऑल यू कैन डू, राइट। कई बार अगर इसे जा रहा है ब्लड, बस उसको इतना कर सकते हैं, पर राइट इट डेट डाउन एंड टेक हिम टू हॉस्पिटल। तो देयर व्हाट हैपन, मे बी डॉक्टर व्हाट एवर डॉक्टर सेड एंड ऑल, वो पूरा एंड टू एंड सोचिए डॉक्टर ने क्या बोला। फाइनली मे बी ही वाज okay after some time or he recovered, it was minor head injury, but something you want to write, so that will be much better. उसे नीचे एक रमन ने भी लिखा है, बिकॉज मेरा स्पेसिफिक क्लिक क्या उसमें यहाँ पे, आई ही क्लिक फोटो एंड अर्न मनी टू सपोर्ट दिस फैमिली। डोंट स्टार्ट विद द स्टोरी विद द मनी, आप ये करने के पैसा कमा रहा है फिर वो कर रहा है, जस्ट राइट इट इज ए प्रोफेशनल फोटोग्राफर, राइट इज ए फोटोग्राफर, अंडरस्टूड है। अगर फोटोग्राफर है तो वो इसलिए करता हो, यू डोंट नीड टू फोकस एंड एम्फेसिस टू क्लिक फोटो टू अर्न मनी, राइट। Basically you just show something and then go ahead. I hope you understand what is to be done. That's a key takeaway from today's classes. When there is a situation which is given there, try to resolve the problem, try to see what is the bigger issue here, solve those things, try to see the every detail of the picture which is posted here, कि what do you see here in this picture. तो उसमें आपको जितना भी दिखता है, अगर आप वो सारा कुछ लिखोगे, so that is a much better way to go ahead with this. And how you correlate this, this clicking photograph helping the Tonge wala and the jeep driver and all. And of course this is a crossing, because you can see एक corner, दूसरा corner, तीसरा corner इधर से. So that's a takeaway. I hope you will implement it on all the story which you write related to the accident. See you tomorrow. Till then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.